Hello students, today I'm going to show you how to assess your skill preferences. So what I'd like you to do is open up a browser. I have Chrome opened here, and you're going to go to eureka.org. Now if you've never been on this website, you're going to create an account, and I have a link on this page to download the instructions. You will need a code to place in your registration that you'll need from me and from the college. Not just anyone can get onto this website. So you'll create an account. I already have an account, so I'm going to go ahead and log in and click on the self-assessment tab at the top. Now your screen is going to be a little bit different because you've never sorted the cards before. So mine says results based on future skills. Yours will not say that because you haven't done it yet. But regardless, where it says sort cards, you're going to click on sort cards. And it's loading up the cards. And so here there are a list of 72 cards for you to choose from. Now I've already sorted my cards, but I'm going to start over, and this is what you will see. So you're going to select a card, and you can hover over the card. This is card number 1, and it talks about the skill efficiency, managing yourself. So you hover over the card and read about efficiency. For example, it says here, doing things without wasting time or energy, planning your work, finding faster ways of doing things in order to save time, using your time so you can get the most work done. So ask yourself, is that a skill that you think you would like to have in a future job? I should say, a skill that you would like to use in a future job. If you think you would like efficiency, you'll select it. If you're not sure, you can put it on hold and decide later. If you don't want to use that skill, you can discard it. Whatever you want to do. And so you're going to go through all 72 cards this way. I'm going to pause the video and sort my cards. Okay, so I'm back. I have sorted my cards. I have 35 cards here that are skills that I think I would enjoy using in a future job, and I've discarded 37. And it's okay if the numbers aren't exactly what you need. We'll be rearranging them even further here in a minute. And as the note here says, to avoid being logged out while using MicroSkills Flash Peats, save your selections every 10 to 15 minutes. So I'm going to click Save. And so now we're going to go to the next screen. Click on Next Screen. You're going to sort your cards even further. So you're going to place 20 of your cards that are somewhat satisfying in this column. You're going to put 10 cards that are moderately satisfying in the middle column, and then you're going to pick 5 of your most favorite, very satisfying skills in this first column. So I'm going to pause this video and I'll be sorting my cards. Okay, so I have once again sorted my cards even further. So I've taken all 35 cards that I've selected. And by the way, there are 35 slots here, and I forgot that. It was totally by accident that I had picked 35 cards. If I had picked maybe 25 cards, then I would need to go through my discard pile to find a few more to fit within this framework. So, but I have my cards sorted, and then this menu comes up. Done. Save and view a list of sorted and related occupations. So I'm going to click here, and it's going to match my skills to more than 800 occupations. Now this website is connected to the government website, which hosts thousands of jobs. These are just examples of what you can find on the government website. But so here's a list of the skills that I chose that I thought would be satisfying for me. Now, if you scroll down a bit, here are suggested occupations based on the skills that I said I thought I wanted to use. So here it says the very first choice is urban and regional planners. So you can go through the list and see which ones stand out to you, or you can check each one out. I'm going to click on my first one. I'm going to click View, and it will tell me more about that career. So it'll tell you in the other assessments that you'll be taking, you will find out if this matches your Holland code. It'll tell you what true color this is, and again, you're going to be assessed on what color your personality style is. It'll tell you how much education is required for this career. This includes a YouTube video, a day in the life of an urban planner. The website gives you all kinds of information, duties and responsibilities, the tasks that are involved, the work environment and the physical demands, related occupations. So really good stuff here. So I'm going to go back, and also so you can explore these top occupations. Also, it'll tell you your Holland code scores. Again, later we're going to take an assessment where you'll learn what your Holland code is, or otherwise known as the RIASEC code. But here's an idea, and you may want to take note of this to see if these results match the assessment that you'll be taking later. So that's it. So I'd like you to go to eureka.org, create an account, and sort your cards and see what careers are suggested for you.